Today, we're checking out the DIY.Graphics Wood and Acrylic Award and Plaques. With just an inkjet printer, you can make full-color professional plaques and awards honoring executives and other VIPs in an organization. Mount them on the wall or stand them up on a shelf or counter. With the starting cost of just $4.95, you can use them in-house or sell them for huge profit. It's super easy. Just peel, position, cut, and furnish, and apply the rich walnut and ebony wood finishes, a good fit for any type of decor. The sturdy polished acrylic protects from fingerprints, wear and tear, and fraying. The keyhole slot allows for safe hanging in either landscape or portrait position. Never before could you create these quality awards from home or the office. There's no waiting, no setup charges, and no minimum orders. Become your own award shop with no equipment investment with DIY.Graphics.